namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst channel. Yeah, of course, I'm going to take a light. Take a look. Look at that. I'm linka. Not been my the president. So look at my Master T. And then from there, say that he owns a like a stylist. Doing at that. I'm linka vele na Antonio Mayengane. Yeah, so as I was scrolling on TikTok, the 15th of July, no Samarala, clip your car, I think I thank first and then that Kirala afterwards.
Too much. Monday, Babalas, Monday. I want to give Babalas. Seven away.
I was like, what's happening here? What's happening? So then stock very in an second mundo ava kana radio car very pam FM. So she can summer song of Africa Tangar Similaria. I understand that maybe anga batlang in Xitsonga ka room one but I was surprised to go figure out tanga nomzamo number 2 David no papila vele from 2015. To me, it was a surprise. Yeah, beef. Like I was like, you come in John track leave me. So shouldn't that track. Unfortunately, I upload officially, but the one I upload the now to why present upload the account and stuff like that. Yeah, 2015. Unfortunately, I like to look in 2018. Yeah, 2015. So shouldn't you come in John me so. To me, it was a surprise. I was like, I want to share like a master team to show you. Nah, I spent a bin my got this beef. And I could be pabla around, and I was a good beef and beer. I go minimum some, then I could pabla, yeah, he took our papi, so it was number 2 sort of. Nash quati, Katasha, paying a mahinganda. I show one. So don't come check on Kumanavan, still Haru stream and I was surprised. Kanavan bar, still out this beef. Don't forget that check along. So I'll let you guys, you can comment below me once again. But to me, it was a bit of a surprise. And since I'm repeating Shona, and I couldn't have parodied something getting out of road. No, the context they are same. It was a bit shocking to me. So a lesho. Even then, he wants a very like stylist. Gungana manga, manje, gungana manga. She doesn't come busy blind. So, of course, at the 16th of July, I'm gonna post an Africa post like a stylist. Like, hey, now this I don't say, one of Shamba Shia Queen, Koraka Master T. So, if you got Salago. Kumbe moendlela mina ni nga lunghana avekela this video clip la shoota le ta ikhe nang tarisana context. So I think I hit from masunguleni twisa ku ndleka yena la kahle Master T. Yeah, so loko ikhe nang ta mhaka le initially like a stylist if ka posta this post la nga vatsala ku hina hi tintlambi ta nduma hi ho titshika iva avekela this video clip ai yingiseleni kahle la. Okay. So as you've heard, logo yishito liyo tala masungula na shito ya Antonio erisimilera Mayenga na saka intro lente Antonio Mayenga anda mkoto wa ata mshito wewe. So ashito kula masungula irisimilisa sho erisimilera. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. as I've had. So after loko leka style is very posting risimu reriwa sweswo ri nga tisa swona ku ve na some comments on TikTok. So hi fike hi cheka comment ya kona vhele la ku fike ku tsariwa ku yi ku nyiko yi nga humi kuma njheni no yele i fika tsala ku munhu wa kona very Prince Mabuza va fika va tsala ku make sure you let Antonio Marcos know that you are using his song as you can see leswi nga fika swi hlamula kwalano and then the style sa a hlamula hi video leyi ha ku hi hlaya ku liya a hi tlheleni ka yona. So swi nga hlamula risimu leri mapele hinkwenu na ri tiva hi nga teki tissue yi endla issue mugungonyana jaha ra mina ni kombeli laha vona so sungule hi section a fika hlamula ku kombisa ku hi sa hi tirha na response ya loko hi landzelisa vhele kombisa ku swi endlekeni before a xingazeni wa mi nga vulanga nchumu hi swona loko swi endle hi va mapele ma yi vona mhaka leyi and I remember nkarhi leyi na ka ku sungula radio na GCR a invite-wini I'm not sure if a ku ri lembe ro sungula ra vumbirhi na I remember a invite-wini mapele va fika va n'wi vutisa ku a hi kumeni permission na ka risimu leri a kombisa ku i yi kumeni permission loko a endla risimu leri a ku ze ku na problem ya nchumu i yi kumeni permission from the original owner and stuff like that ma yona mhaka leyiwa ya even then vhele se a nghena ka risimu ra Vicat mi ta mi kha mi ri tiva what you say ri nga huma na rona official a ri trendini and stuff like that risimu leri a nga ri vekela laha so a hi langutiseni Masathiwa what do you say about this matter I think hi tshame hi vulavula hi swona before swo a hi vula leswona hi the 12th October like hina fa swa ha ri kona ndeka tinotsi ta mina a ni nga delitanga ku a swi dyi space swa tinotsi so like no veri swi tshikisa leswi so like ni we still have that information so loko hi ta ka mhaka leyi vhele ka mhaka leyi yi nga ku endlekeni laha a hi zameni ku va hi languta kahle okay so the most important aspect vhele before hi nghena i timhaka ta if it's for commercial use loko mi kuma ku fike swiyina na swi register-riwa ni risimu leri fike ri register-riwa se va ri ona na vona va va na the rights ta ro va va na copyright so in order ku va na copyright on top of it hi kona hi va ku hi kha hi apply information leyi nga ta kha hi hlala ku hete rules number 1 ku na fair usage loko swi fika ka swilo leswiwa so vereke loko swi fika ka fair usage loko hi vula loko va i tirhisa sound ya munhu or lyrics or whatever number 1 yi kombisa ku in some cases using a small portion of the original lyrics might be considered fair use, but this is a complex and fact-specific determination, as you can see. So, the music, very, yeah, to some extent, swi nga swi pfumeleriwa but loko hi hlaka statement lexi swi zama ku swi kombisa ku still you can be sued at the same time loko ve i nga kumangi permission but swi nga koteka ku i swi endla yona mhaka leyiwa then number 2 interpolation ya hi loko of course artist yi recorda yena the original lyrics in a new version leyi a hi le ka yona because la a va fambangi hi line liya ngopfu loyi kid yingisela sort of interpolation leyi then number 3 ku na sampling leyi ni twa ku na ku yona leyi va nga endla yona ka tinsimu teta a hi kha hi yingisela sampling a small portion of the original song transforming it and incorporating it into a new work might be permissible but this often requires clearance and permission so sampling vuswona kahle loko se hi kha hi hlaya swona in general munhu fika a va kume a permission but at the same time swi possible ku va classify under fair usage but leswi swi hi nga hlamusela swa fair usage swa kona swa tikanyana because we don't really know ku ri line yakho yi khatiwa kwini ku leswi i fair or a hi fair usage na ma yi vona mhaka leyi so loko hi kha hi yingisela track letiya hi sungula hi liya i mapele mina loko ni kha ni yingisela I can say ku ho yi yingisa kahle yi wela ngopfu liya aliya yi wela ngopfu ka side ri ngopfu ra sampling lero swo ka fika hi kumeni permission loko hi kha hi yingisela that track in overall Sure, like unbeatable. I still I have fambe nandini kai to ya famsa you can hear it but the transform win even then iki yaka vcat ana la permission obvious after I comment because it take the original work you fast forward those beats even then it like so what are we saying about this one no yet we are famba the same line. So but still sha wala ka sampling because I'm not sure in that beat liya yo if it famba the whole track so still sure like a sampling ngisho as a fair usage look maybe abo fika bateka xiclip and xexa xitoka intro this section every mara in this guitar leyi nga ha twali ka the rest of the song mara loko yi yingisela yi va ya ha twala mos a yingiseleni kahle ni twi loko yi va ya ha twala mos mashuthi va ya twala guitar leya ka the rest of the song as you can hear so yeah sure like a sampling so va nga soyiwa so swi kahle me abantu kumela permission because we never know swa hlupha ngopfu swi swa karhi na swa music and stuff like that so leswi mhaka yi nga xiswona so yeah in response to like just because someone is before a swi vuli ku swi va swi ri permissible and stuff like that. Yeah, ni nga swi vula tani hi leswo yeah loko u ri amukeza swi ska banda kumbe la mi subscribe.